If you are looking to improve your AI image generator toolset, then this is going to be the most important video you will ever watch. Today I share with you top 5 free exciting AI tools with style transfer features. Let's dive in. First up is Playform, a versatile AI art generative platform. Playform offers a user-friendly interface that allows you to effortlessly navigate through its powerful features. Major benefits with Playform: you can train your own machine learning framework to stylize your images in bulk. Once your model is trained, you get unlimited generations for free. It's a time-saving tool that empowers you to apply new styles to a full image set or a single image. Playform leverages the power of AI to analyze and learn from your preferred style. It then applies this style to your images, creating stunning visual transformations. As to customizations, Playform various customization options, allowing you to fine-tune the style transfer process according to your preferences. You have control the level of stylization, color palettes, the resolution modes, and more. To make a new styling transfer, you upload your image, then you determine the resolution you want, and all you have to do now is to click on the Generate button. You can enhance, you can save it, you can remove the result, you can download or upscale, and you can also add as an anchor image. As for the pricing, Playform offers a free plan with unlimited generations. For advanced features and options, they offer premium plans with flexible pricing options. My number 2 is Photos. Photos is a website that offers an AI image style transfer tool. It provides users with the ability to transform their photos into visual, stunning masterpieces using AI algorithms. The user interface is clean and intuitive, that allows users to easily upload their images and apply different styles. The interface is designed to be user-friendly, make it accessible to both beginners and experienced users. Photos specialize in image style transfer, which involves applying the visual style of one image to another. Users can upload their own images as content and choose from a variety of predefined styles or create custom styles. With Photos, users have the flexibility to personalize and customize the style transfer process. They can adjust various parameters such as intensity, saturation, blending to achieve the desired artistic effects. This level of customization allows users to create unique and personalized images. As to pricing, Photos offers a free trial period for users to explore and experience the capabilities of the tool. For users who require additional features and commercial usage, Photos provides subscription-based plans with competitive pricings. My number 3 is Deep AI. This is a website that offers a suite of tools that utilize AI to enhance creativity and provide various image-related functionalities. One of the key features of Deep AI is an AI image generation. Users can enter a prompt or a description of the image they want to create, and the AI algorithms will generate image based on that input. Users can upload their images and apply various AI-powered filters and effects to transform and improve the visuals. This tool can be beneficial to professionals and enthusiasts in fields such as graphic design, marketing, advertising, content creation, and more, for various purposes including branding, social media campaigns, website design, and artistic expression. As for pricing, Deep AI offers free access to its tools, allowing users to experience and utilize its functionalities without any pricey cost. However, it's important to note that some advanced features or premium options may require a subscription or a payment. My number 4 website is TensorFlow. This is the official website of open source machine learning framework developed by Google. It serves as a comprehensive resource for developers, researchers, and enthusiasts interested in leveraging the power of TensorFlow for building and deploying machine learning models. This website provides a wealth of information, documentation, tutorials, and community resources. You can read through of the key features and offerings of the TensorFlow. This website provides a vast range of information, including documentation, tutorials, and community resources. So my recommendation is use this website as a central hub for all things related to TensorFlow. The last but not least is MakeOptim. This is a website that offers online tools and service absolutely free based on deep learning, with a particular focus on neural style transfer. The website provides users with the ability to create artistic images by applying neural style transfer techniques powered by TensorFlow. Users can create artistic images online using neural style transfer. The website interface is user-friendly and has the great convenience of generating artistic images without the need for complex software or extensive coding knowledge. So users have the opportunity to unleash their creativity and create visual captivating images through neural style transfer. So this is very convenient and enable users to easily experiment with different styles and generate unique artistic outputs. Overall, MakeOptim is a platform that provides users with a user-friendly interface to create artistic images using neural style transfer techniques powered by TensorFlow. It offers an accessible and convenient way for individuals to explore their creativity and produce visual captivating images without the need for extensive technical expertise. There you go. Take control of your AI toolset with any of these apps list. I recommend you watch this next tutorial you are viewing on the screen right now. It's an AI related video. If you like the video, give me a big thumbs up or subscribe my channel. I really appreciate you subscribing to my channel. It means a lot to me. Thanks, and my name is Natalie. Thank you so much for watching.